Hello everyone, I am Dr. Karuna Babbar. Welcome to K Series Cybersecurity Lecture Notes. Today's session is on installation of Kali Linux on VirtualBox. How we can install Kali Linux? To install Kali Linux, we need any hypervisor. Now, hypervisor acts like an interface on which you can install as many operating systems as you want to. You may install Windows operating system on your hypervisor, or you may install Linux operating system. These days, VMware and VirtualBox are the hypervisors which are open source. VMware have two types of versions, that is the paid version as well as the guest version, whereas VirtualBox is an open source. In my own machine, I have installed VirtualBox as my hypervisor. To install VirtualBox, we can open www.virtualbox.org. This is the official website from VirtualBox, and we can install VirtualBox file. Let me show you. When we open this official website of VirtualBox, we can install VirtualBox for Windows operating system, or we can install VirtualBox for Linux operating system. Whichever platform you are in, you can install VirtualBox accordingly. As my own machine is on Windows 7, so I have installed VirtualBox for Windows. Let me show you. See here, I have installed VirtualBox 6.1.18 for my Windows platform. In a similar way, I have already installed Kali Linux, that is 2021, for my VirtualBox. It's in .ova file, that is open virtualization file for 64-bit operating system. Now back with the installation process. Click on the virtualbox.exe file. You will get this type of a screenshot. Press next. Click on the next buttons to install your VirtualBox. Next again, press yes for warning network interfaces. Click on the install button, and here you are. Your virtual machine will be created onto your Windows platform. Just press finish. After having the VirtualBox machine, now open www.kali.org, which is the official website of Kali Linux, to download kalilinux.ova file. After opening this site, just go to the downloads tab. As you can see in my picture also, you have .ova files for 32-bit as well as for 64-bit. You can download your file .ova file according to your operating system, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. Now Kali Linux.ova file is in the image format. You can download it with the help of torrent. See here, click on the downloaded Kali Linux.ova file. Start importing it. Now open your VirtualBox manager. Click on the settings button of your VirtualBox manager. In this settings tab, you will get this type of a screen. Press the system tab. Under the system tab, you will get the processor tab. Assign processors according to your machine configuration. You can assign as many processors as you want to, but 2 processors are good enough to install Kali Linux as well as to perform cybersecurity practical sessions. After assigning the processors, click on the Network tab. In this advanced option, click on the bridged adapter. This particular bridged adapter will help you for using computer network related tools in Kali Linux, and press OK. After this network tab, click on the MAC address tab also and allow all. This will help you to assess all the MAC addresses connected through computer network in your penetration testing. Press OK. Now click on the USB tab, enable USB controller, press OK. And that's all with all the settings. Now you can start installing your Kali Linux. Just press start button over here. Installation of Kali Linux begins like as you can see it on my screen also. Select your language, location, set your time also, set your root username, set your username and password, and there you are. Kali Linux installed onto your system. Now you can open your virtual machine and there you find Kali Linux and you can start performing your applications. I hope this video helps you in the installation process.